Hi guys, I welcome you in this wonderful video. So there is an interesting move here on V75 and I believe it will be very helpful if I drop a comment pertaining that price movement. You can see here that the price, if you can look at the 30-minute, you can see that currently it seems like the price is on its highest point. Why am I saying that? I'm comparing it to the previous 2 points. With this first one, which is a low, and then we have this which is a high. So we have a high, we have a low, and looking at the at this move, at this wave here, we can see that obviously this wave is on its highest point. And if you can look directly, or if you can look inside the wave, you can see that it started aggressively and then now it begin to slow down with some kind of a channel that is displayed through visible highs and lows, meaning the price is slowing down, meaning it's entering in some kind of a transition. And just to enter into details, you can see even here, let me for a minute go to the 15-minute time frame so that I can clarify what I'm talking about. You can see here that we have the highs and the lows, they're becoming lower. You can see we have a low, with the next low, and then the other one which is now lower, and then even on the highs we have the high with a next high, and then we have the next one which is now lower or almost at the same level as the previous one. So you can see that starting from here, strong momentum, then start to slow down, and all of a sudden now it is beginning to enter in some kind of a straight move or a range. This means that it's in transition. It's likely that the sellers are going to take the price. But then surprisingly, I want to show you something which let me just go maybe in the, let me go in the 8 hour, let me not go that high. So look at this. You see, it's a very interesting move. You can see what we saw in the 15 minutes and the 30 minutes, and you can see that it contradicts everything that I'm seeing here. You can see that it's a very interesting uptrend, which at this point in time is kind of like signaling some buying opportunities. But then on our 30-minute time frame, or on a 15-minute time frame, this buying opportunity is not clearly visible. So then what should you do as a trader? Yes, we can say that you should follow a higher time frame, but there's a very important meaning behind this wave. There is a very important meaning behind this wave. So this wave going up here, seeing it on its highest point here, although in a higher time frame you see it as a buy, but then here it seems like the price is on its highest point, and you don't want to buy when the price is high. You always want to buy when the price is low. Why am I writing for? You always want to buy when the price is low. So for the fact that we're seeing price high here, it means that you have to wait, even though you want to take advantage of this upward move that is happening on a higher time frame here. It means that you just have to wait for what? For a new low which is going to be higher than this previous one. So if we can get into details here, remember what we always talk about, a breakout, a pattern break. We can see here that this downward move here, it was broken all the way here. But for the fact that it has been broken, it doesn't mean that you just have to buy from there. You have to wait for a new high to be formed, and then a new low, and then this low, if it's higher than that previous one, then it will be a sign that, okay, now you should enter your buying signals or your buying trades. So for the fact that you saw it high on the lower time frame, you shouldn't ignore it, even if you see a beautiful move here on the higher time frame. But remember what you've seen on the lower time frame, that on the lower time frame prices are high, and for the fact that prices are high, it means that we have to wait. And remember, timing your trades, it's all about going into smaller time frames and looking for details then. Because if you enter now, you're gonna buy here, and as you buy here, what's gonna happen is that on the lower time frame, as you buy on the lower time frame, prices will begin to go down. It's not just on the lower time frame, even on the higher time frame, but it will be clearly visible here. So price will start going down, and you begin to panic, and then all of a sudden price will start to continue its move, because price don't just move all the way up, it move what am I doing? Prices don't just move all the way out. It moves in form of waves. So here is going to be a wave all the way up. And then you buying here, you are actually putting yourself in a position where a corrective wave is going to deal with you. So wait for the corrective and then you're going to buy. And this is a very it looks like a healthy trend. So don't panic, don't fear that you're going to miss out and so on. It looks like a healthy trend. And if you can look here, we are very on its early stage. Just pay attention to how big this impulsive wave was. Even if you entered here on this retest, you will still right. So don't panic here, just wait for that corrective on the lower time frame and then you can execute your trades from there. So let me just leave it here. Thank you for watching.